We're back here with Jim from Four Core Heating and Cooling, and we're talking heating, and we're talking furnaces, and we're talking noises. A squealing noise, Jim. If my furnace is making a... what is that an indication of?
Well, if it's an old enough furnace, could be a loose belt, but on your newer furnaces, it's usually a dry bearing on a motor, possibly a combustion blower motor or a furnace main blower motor. You're getting a squealing. But either way, it needs attention if it's a noise that you're not used to. If this is a new noise that you're not used to and it's cropped up and it's getting louder or consistent, especially if it's consistent, then we can come out and diagnose it. But it's definitely something that would need attention if it's something that's out of the ordinary. But when I think of squealing, I think of dried bearings.
Hey, Jim, if that's the case, can the bearings just be replaced, or does the whole unit need to replace, the motor? And what's usually the reality there?
Usually the reality is new motor. I mean, the better motors are in the heat passage, and those will dry out over a period of time. And they're sealed bearings. They've got an oil charge in them, and after a period of time, that's gone. Maybe your furnace is 10 years old, and the heat's taking its toll, and that's starting to dry out. Better to catch it, get it replaced when you can at your convenience than on a cold January night.
Yeah, that's absolutely, you're definitely right there, Jim. So, hey, listen, if your furnace is squealing, or even it's squeaking or knocking or making any sort of noise you haven't heard before, now you know who to call. fourcoreheating.com. Stop by. The number's right there, and you can learn some more right there at their website. Thanks for watching.